Okay, so I just picked up some samples for this book. This is also available on Amazon. Master Technical Drawing, Plain Geometry for secondary school. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is basically some of what it covers. And we also have a Copyright Act, which a lot of persons aren't really familiar with. The Copyright Act. So this is the table of content. Table of content right there. And we have the objectives for this chapter. And everything is in line with the CESA curriculum. Everything is as is. Those are the objectives. And we have link. So each chapter has a playlist. And this book is fully compatible with AI. I will not be giving away too much. Fully compatible with AI. So everything as on the curriculum. So that is it. So everything is fully in line with the curriculum. This is chapter 2. Chapter 2, first part is define technical drawing, state the importance of technical drawing, explain the application of technical drawing as a global sourcing, precision, efficiency. And again, there's a playlist there for it. So we have everything there. And we're title block of activities. It is fully colored. Sketches, steps of procedure for sketch, principles of design, element, design factors, good drawing technique, conversion, how to use compass. Section covers how to scale, how to measure building. So this part 1 ties into the building drawing. And here is chapter 3, introduction to geometry construction. Define plane geometry. Again, we have a playlist here, and this playlist contains a lot of videos. So this book is fully AI compatible, as well as it is compatible with the curriculum. It is supported by TikTok, YouTube, and all the main social platforms. So to the basic geometry construction. Here, playlist that you can go on and watch on my channel. And this is AutoCAD versus traditional method. Chapter 4 is triangle. So here they learn the basics of triangle and also how to construct triangle, and space is provided for that. So learn a bit about the part of a triangle, and here to construct triangles in the space provided. Next topic is quadrilateral, and this is covered in detail. This covers all the quadrilaterals. All quadrilaterals are covered in this book. Every single one that's covered under the timetable, under the syllabus. Application of quadrilaterals. Here we have polygon, and again we have a playlist for polygon and different types of polygons. Space here for that. Next chapter is circles, arcs, and tangent. So I want to zoom into that as what and activities there. So this book is very comprehensive. No, it's covered in this book. Space provided. Chapter 8 is engineering curves, And again, we have a playlist for that. We have our technical terms, yeah, and you know, here we have how to draw ellipse, how to draw parabola, you know, Archimedean spiral, involute, cycloid, everything, how to draw a tangent to these, and everything here is supported. Link mechanism. Next topic is reduction and enlargement. And we have activities and those here, you know, the rules for reduction and enlargement. This is figure of equal area. Yeah, activity there. Of great importance, we have some SBA questions. So these are recommended SBA questions. A lot of SBA questions here, which are covered here. You know, we have more SBA questions, comprehensive questions. So upon completing this, you know, you have a question you can do. You have the glossary of technical terms. We also have the index, which helps you to find the different topics easily. Index, yeah, so the index here, yeah, we have that. We also have some reference table at the back of this, dimension and stuff like that. Yep. So that is basically a rundown of this book. Very good book. Solid. It's really, really solid. It covers everything that you need to know for plane geometry. It is also compatible with AI. Everything on safety, every single thing on safety is covered in detail. Everything. No stone was left unturned. And you know, the safety here can also be used at other levels. Can be used for grade 7 safety, grade 8 safety. Can be used for the core area. Very comprehensive book, guys. Very, very, very comprehensive book. Solid. And yeah, so there is a solid geometry to this as well, and the building drawing book for it, master building drawing, and also the master AutoCAD book. So this is the first step. This is the first book that every student would need to have once they're doing technical drawing. And everything is exactly as outlined on this syllabus. So you don't need to do anything, you don't need to go anywhere else. Everything is there. And the important thing is this is AI compatible. Yeah, it's AI compatible, or ChatGPT. Yeah. Everything with this book, you don't really need a content book for this, because as I said, this is AI compatible. And there's the playlist, the videos contain, of great importance, the videos contain a lot of other questions and activities in the videos. So this book is supported in so many ways, you know. Lot of work, whole lot of work, lot of time, a lot of research goes into this, lot of visitations to schools, lots of consultation went into putting this book together. And this book is not only for Jamaica per se, or for CSEC, because in putting this book together, I studied other regions, like and other continents like Africa, the African countries, Europe, Asia as well, you know. And we look at as we are aware, 3D is a global language, it's a global subject. The syllabus is compatible in many ways. It's pretty much the same syllabus that we're using. Yeah. And this book covers both CAD and practical method, which I am strongly advocating for. Based on my research, most schools across the world still requires that they do well. Even at CSEC level, you still need to do a good amount of traditional drawing for the SBA, for the exam, and even in the real world. Yeah. And guess what? This is a book that I use to prepare those grade 7, grade 4, and grade 8 students to the CSEC. Yeah, it's the very same books that I used. And I tested students and refined my process. Well, in essence, I applied the design process where I plan, I identify the problem, design, plan, execute, evaluate. So I've been doing a lot of that across different schools, and I will continue to do what's necessary. Peace out, guys. This is the book that you must have. TD, once you have this, you're good. You're good for the plane and for the plane geometry, which is critical. Solid geometry, solid. Just me. That your guesswork will be out of TD. You'll be able to work and go. Guess what? This is also a self-paced book. Self-paced. So you really don't need a teacher to help you. You can work on your own. You simply go into the video, go into the playlist, and you watch the video which corresponds to the chapter that you have. Yeah. So everything is right here.